What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has once again pumped up in value. It is up over 30% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.5% guys. So the crypto has been pumping quite a bit over the last couple of days. As you guys can see, over the week it is up over 50%. So we're going to be looking at, can AMP potentially hit the 1 cent target anytime soon, and looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. How high can this crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? And we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit and take out your profit before it crashes back down? So covering the whole sector of buying, selling, short-term and long-term trading as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.004 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, it is not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from AMP. So essentially by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than it is at the moment, which is also what I'm expecting. So dropping down to about 0.0052 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is likely to be a minimal drop, but again, do expect green candles in between as well. It is likely to pump up to 0.006 cents over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down towards in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, dropping at a lower value than where it is at the moment. So do expect it to be quite volatile with green and red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? It's looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for AMP? Is essentially an overall fluctuation in value over the coming week. However, that's not what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting AMP to be hovering over the 0.0063 cents in value, so at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, as you guys can see, it's not going to be a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, and do not expect it to be hitting green days consistently for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit red days in between as well, especially that the crypto market is on the green side and has been on the green side over the last week or two. Dips are always part of the process. AMP is likely to go for a little bit of a price correction towards end of this week, early next week, before it pumps back up over the 0.006 cents value. Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit too steep. We got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and looking quite steep as well. So this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that has been taking place over the last few days. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, essentially early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting AMP to go through a price correction, dropping down below 0.004 cents in value towards late February, early March, and then slowly starting gaining value in March, April, heading over the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting at the moment. But AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash or anything that can have an impact on its value, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But at the moment, this is my take on AMP. And guys, the Bitcoin halving is happening in April, which once I get more details on that, I will let you guys know. So bringing out the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we have been moving quite bullish in a positive direction, and we are getting quite close to the green zone here, to the resistance target, which I'm expecting AMP to hit the resistance target potentially in late March, early April, and breaking out from the resistance target here in April, heading above the 1 cent target, is what I'm expecting at the moment. But the whole point, or the main point, is to get to the resistance target here, which is at about 0.008 cents. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over nearly 300%, making it $163 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is AMP has been in the top gainers list over the last couple of days, so it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and a lot more people are actually trading the crypto. If we compare it to a week ago, the trading volume was literally $6 million, and right now has gone all the way up to 163 million. So that in itself is a major increase. So that's much attention is getting, and it is also a trending crypto right now, as it is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, and when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.